No. Chew with your back. Whoa, nitrogen cereals. Try another. Woo.
When my client walks in with Prada sunglasses on, an Armani jacket, and a Louis Vuitton bag and tells me I'm too expensive? How we treat our guests. Woo!
Yeah, I did box color.
Box color, girl! Girl, please.
1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place.
Yeah, did you get into the glitter again? I didn't do it.
Are you sure?
Uh-huh.
No. Oh my god. I'm about to cry. No! Oh my god.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's the fight. Here we go.
Thing you wanna do is yeah, that didn't work out. So I decided to have a break from boys, and you'll never guess who I met. Tall, large, Henry VIII, supreme head of the Church of England.
Knock 'em back, fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up, fill 'em up. Cause if she ain't ever coming back, I'ma need some whiskey glasses. Cause I don't wanna see the truth. She's probably making out on the couch right now with
Ooh la la, when I do not want to wash my hair, I live for my dry shampoo. Yes. Oh shit. That's a lot of dry shampoo. Damn. What are you doing, Ratika? Oh my god, what are you doing?
I'm putting color guard on my client.
Oh!
life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Shaboom. Life could be a dream. Shaboom. If I could take you up in paradise up above. Shaboom. If you would tell me.
It's Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now.
Touch the foil, please. Foil only.
Oh, thank you.
You like?
Yeah, you're a cutie.
I already told you, you can't go platinum if you have black box dye.
But I want it. It's okay, she can have it.
All for the gram. Bitches love the gram.
Oh wait, shit. Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all think I'm an asshole. She think I'm a...
Things your hairstylist wants you to know. Number 1, during the winter, dry skin is completely normal, and especially on your scalp. You do not have dandruff.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's the tight. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. To rock around. That's right, on time. It's tricky. It's tricky. 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 Tricky.
Huh? What? Oh.
Hey guys, I have 2 pieces of virgin dark hair, about a level 3, okay? I obviously started the video and messed up, so I did a second shot. This piece of hair, I am putting some bleach and 10 volume, okay? I'm gonna get that really smothered on there. On this side, I'm gonna use a high lift blonde, level 12, and double 40 volume, okay? We're gonna let this process and see how they both come out, so stay tuned for part 2. Hey guys, I'm back for part 2. So, wanted to show you the results. This is the virgin hair. This is the color that we started with. This is a level 3 dark color. She's never had hair color before, okay? We put a level 12 with double 40, and that's Wella from a hairstylist out there, and a little bit of a green pigment to counteract the red. However, it didn't lift too much. It would actually lift a little bit higher if it was in a foil and on the hair, like the scalp, because of the heat. But it lifted a little, not terrible, okay? So maybe like a level 5 or 6. The lightener and 10 volume lifted very brassy, I mean very orangey. You would obviously have to tone this darker, but what a difference. Color, lightener. That's the virgin hair. So there you go, all 3 to show y'all the difference.
Couldn't get nothing, but we'll never run out of being free spirits, free spirits. Can you hear me calling? Oh, it's all or nothing when you're free spirits, free spirits. Can you hear it calling? 'Cause I don't wanna live and die, no, don't let me go. This is heaven.
When I rule the world, then I'm gonna make you sweat. Dog collar around your neck, on your knees and scrub the deck. Oh, there's a spot over there, so I'll drag you by the hair. So scrub it, rub it, whip it, dry it, till I tell you to stop.
Oh, Nora! Yeah, I'll be wearing socks.
Hell no, to the no, 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 hell.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
I'm so excited you're in today. I can't wait to do your hair.
Yeah, me too. It's super dirty though.
That's okay.
I haven't washed it in like 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
And it's really sweaty. I just got back from the gym.
Ugh.
If you happen to smell anything, it's the pig roast that we did a couple weeks ago.
Let's wash you first.
I'm crying 'cause I love you. Brand new car is noisy, come through and it's roaring. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. Whoa, yeah. None of you guys can flash me. Whoa, matter of fact,
up daily just so they can see. Whoa. Turn me up some more so my haters can hear. Whoa. I put it dope in the back.
You put box color on your hair, now your ticket's about $500. That's not my problem.